Hi everyone, and welcome back to KTB Creates. Happy Friday, and thank you for joining me today while I take you on a journey creating 2 Dollar Tree DIY simple projects. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you get to see all of my videos. For those that are already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you wouldn't mind and you do enjoy these videos, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up so we can keep creating more. So, to get started with today's projects, these are 2, like I said, very quick and easy Dollar Tree products with Dollar Tree trays. So this is what the end result looks like. And now I'll take you through the tutorial. So this tray here is a silver tray that can be found in the wedding section where all the platters are. It comes in silver. I think I saw it in clear as well. But I got the silver, and I am actually using Waverly chalk paint in ivory this time. And I am just going ahead and giving it a really good coat of the chalk paint. I ended up doing 2 coats of this. The chalk paint always covers really well, and that's why I prefer that over an acrylic paint. So just make sure you give it 2 good coats. And I hate when this happens, but I missed the footage in between where I went in and painted the edges with black acrylic paint. So that's what you're seeing around the edges. I simply outlined the inner circle and the outer circle with some black acrylic paint. I just wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz to it, I guess. And I'm using my Silhouette Cameo to make these decals for it. You can use the Dollar Tree stickers or create a stencil on your own, but I love my Cameo, so I'm always using it whenever I can. I just went ahead and created this with my Silhouette Cameo. Like I said, aside from the drying time, something like this literally takes like 5 minutes to make. I'm just using one of those simple easels that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I just think it's so cute. I'm actually going to end up putting this above my kitchen cabinets. I decorate above my cabinets, so this is going to go up there. And honestly, unless you picked it up, you cannot tell that this isn't like a real ceramic platter. So it looks great, like I said. I'm excited with how it turned out, and it's so easy to do. This second project are these little silver trays. These I found in the kitchen area, and they come in different sizes, but I just loved the shape of this and the edges on it. Here I'm using chalkboard paint. If you have chalkboard spray paint, I would probably recommend that. I'm just using what I had on hand. The reason being is the spray paint would go on much smoother. This, you can kind of see the brush strokes in it when I was finished. The other thing with this is that it needed, I want to say 4 coats of the chalkboard paint. But again, super easy aside from the drying time for the paint. I'm just going ahead in with my a white chalk pen, and I'm using this just to create a little sign that says Wi-Fi password. But you could do anything with it. You can use it in your kitchen with a little easel, and it could just say menu, and you can jot different things down each day. It could just be like a reminder sign where you could write on it with chalk. But like I said, I love the shape of it, and I'm excited with how it turned out. So as always, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you wouldn't mind, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.